Hi teacher, I'm going to tell you about two different types of art, painting and music. Painting is an artist's produced facet of the figurative of abstract representation. Dramatic or like substance that are applied with various tools on a canvas. We refer of artists from that seeks to represent reality graphically, using shapes and colors on a surface, from natural or synthetic pigment mixed with binding and substance, the paint. And music. Music is a set of sounds of silence organized in a logical way, governed by a series of laws such as harmony, rhythm, or melody, making you sensitive that characters of the human, begging with respect to emotion and the preposition of artistic element. In the art, graphic and sounds and silence in the character order, and the result of this order is logical, coherent, and pleasing to the ear. And the comparisons. And in the case of music uh, and painting, we know today are two very different art that flow through different sensory channels, and they're here to on the side, so that we cannot see music just just as it is not possible to listen and to painting. Neither is the dimension they occupy the name, while the music, the time factor essential to interpret and listen to composition. Painting can be visually contained in the instant, and to interpret is a finished work. Science is the spatial, static, and art deals with images, while music is a temporal art and endowed with the movement and that organizes sounds articulation on different types of the music and different language. And personally, I feel identified with the two art science. They are the ones I like the most, and also that can be appreciated in everyday life. Painting, for example, they appreciated in the way and landscapes and expression of different people who paint feelings and make know the art that dominate, and music is an art and through sound make you enjoy incredible lyrics and rhythms. I like to art. uh, this is the bibliography. Thank you so much, teacher.